Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got all the Blu-ray and DVD unboxing, and then this time I had Migration to unbox, and this is the one I got recently at Walmart. Now then, I also seen the movie in theaters, and the movie is basically about a family trying to migrate to Jamaica and went into some trouble along the way and met some friends. And as well on the way, here we have an illumination and logo on the top. And this also comes with three all new mini movies. Here's in the bonus feature stuff. Here's the back of the case with a couple of scenes from the movie. On the bottom says bonus features, 3 mini movies, Fly Hard, Mooned, and Midnight Mission. And Mooned is, I believe, is the mini movie that is based on, and Vector has still on the moon trying to get off the moon and back to Earth. On the top says over 60 minutes of bonus content. And then now let's take the slip cover off so I can get the plastic off and show you guys the Blu-ray and DVD that comes in the case here. And that's it for plastic, and now let's open this up and take a look on the inside. And we got the DVD disc on the left, and the Blu-ray disc on the right, and the colors are inverted on both. And this one is all gray with the new movie in orange, while the one on the left is orange and the name of the movie is in gray. And that is about it for the unboxing of Migration. And a nice Blu-ray unboxing I got is on Wonka, which is the other movie I also got recently. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed today's Migration unboxing, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when new videos upload to the channel. And more videos will be coming out soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.